Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to turn off Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. So if Wi-Fi calling is turned on your iPhone iOS 18 and I want to turn off the Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone running on latest iOS 18, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off Wi-Fi calling on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. Now, on the settings page, just need to scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to apps and click on that. Now, once you've selected apps, I want to scroll down. So just keep scrolling until you get to the phone app. Here, click on that. On the phone app page, you want to scroll up. So if Wi-Fi calling is enabled in your own case, just like this, then you can easily turn off the Wi-Fi calling by disabling this. Then if you want to enable it again, enable this and then accept from the pop. And that's going to turn on the Wi-Fi calling. But when disabled, that's going to turn off the Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone. So that is basically how to turn off Wi-Fi calling on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.